Loco, then. Don't rush. Man comes out of the jungle. They make him a government official, controlling money. He's civilized enough to get himself swindled, but he's not civilized enough to let the professional police take over. Now, what kind of a college course is going to teach us how to handle a man like that?
Is that your cop-out, Sergeant? Meaning you know in your bones that if you hadn't mishandled this case, my client wouldn't be sitting in here charged with murder one?
All right, Counselor. You've got a slew of college degrees. Let's see how you handle it. Mr. Enboro, your lawyer's here. It's not my job to give advice, but for your own good, Mr. Enboro, you better make up your own mind to trust Mr. Judd a little more than you trusted me.
I am told, Mr. Judd, that you are an important lawyer. But what is your idea of law? And what is mine? We have in my country the case of two men, one from my tribe and one from another. They were fishing together on the river. Suddenly, a hippopotamus came to the surface, upset their canoe, and killed the man from the other tribe. His family demanded that the man from my tribe should be punished.
Why?
Because he invited the dead man to go fishing. And they also demanded that my entire tribe be made to pay a fine, because they shared in the responsibility. Is this not a just law?
I can't say that it is.
Then how do you expect me to put my trust in you?
Sergeant. Did I say something about your mishandling this case?
You did?
Well, I take it back. This man is evidently the product of a culture, a whole way of life so different from anything here, or in Europe, or for that matter, on a large part of his own continent. Well, why blame an American cop for not being able to reach him? Nobody else has either.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you, Gast.
JUDD for the defense.
This court is in session. Is the district attorney ready to proceed?
Your Honor, this is a case of murder in the first degree. The defendant, Marcel Nburu, a national of the Republic of Takanga, is charged with having willfully and with premeditation caused the death of one Charles G. Fennerman in and of this county.
Defendant is represented by counsel.
Your Honor, the answer would appear to be yes and no.
How's that again? Oh, yes, Mr. Judd.
I was requested by the Takangan Commercial Mission in Washington to represent Mr. Nburu, Your Honor, but Mr. Nburu has indicated that he doesn't place any trust in me.
Mr. Orloff, can you give me an idea of the specifics of this charge?
I can, Your Honor. I can present the two arresting officers, Sergeant Stone and Detective Briggs, who will testify that they found the defendant almost literally standing over the dead body of the deceased, after he, the defendant, had once before been arrested for threatening the deceased.
Oh, that's enough for now. How do you pronounce the name? N-B-U-R-U. Nburu?
Nburu, Your Honor.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Sergeant Stone. Mr. Nburu, you've got to be represented by a lawyer. Let me ask you why you don't want to trust Mr. Judd. He's been recommended to you by the Takangan Commercial Mission. Now, you trust them, don't you?
No. Why should I trust them?
Well, they're from your own country, aren't they?
Yes, they are not from my tribe.
Your Honor, under the circumstances, will the court permit me to plead the defendant not guilty and request a jury trial?
Right, yes, that's the only way to go for the time being. There'll be no bail, of course. Defendant is remanded into custody.
Mr. Judd,
Sergeant Stone.
let me ask you, how would you defend this man? I mean, what could his defense possibly be?
Any good suggestions are welcome.
Seems to me a man who lives on the edge of the jungle and probably many times took after his enemies with a club. How can this man possibly know right from wrong by our standards?
How about temporary insanity? Man invests $50,000 on a swindler's promise to raise millions for the starving kids in his home country and gets no assurance the American police are going to help him recover his money. Who's at fault if a man like that loses his head?
Well, I could testify he didn't think much of us, if that'll help him.
Now, Sergeant, I don't know if it would. I don't even think I'm going to be his lawyer.
I wouldn't give up just yet, Mr. Judd. The bailiff asked me to tell you that Nburu wants to see you.
I will engage you now, Mr. Judd.
You're, sure you want to, hmm?
Yes, because I now have at my disposal a certain amount of money, and I can pay you. If you can pay a man, you can control him. This is perhaps not the same as being able to trust him, but it is the next best thing.
When did you acquire this money, Mr. Nburu, in the few minutes between leaving the courtroom and sending for me?
No, but in the court there was no chance to make my conditions.
All right, let's hear your conditions.
You will accept no money from the Takangan Commercial Mission. I want to be the only one that pays you. Don't worry, I will pay you plenty. Maybe as much as $2,000. On the day you get me off.
Get you off?
That was not the way to say it. And I thought I had learned all the fine points of English at the missionary school.
Your English is great, but considering the case against you, your best defense might be to plead guilty to a lesser charge.
No, I will not.
I advise you to think about it. Now, if you didn't actually intend to kill Fenneman, then it could come out involuntary manslaughter, and you might not spend more than a year in prison.
Why should I spend any time in your prison when I didn't kill him at all?
You didn't.
Such a possibility did not occur to you, hmm?
Did you tell anyone you didn't kill the man?
Was I supposed to tell anything to anybody before I had the advice of a damn clever lawyer?